Malaysia reiterates our commitment to the implementation of sustainable forest management. Realizing the importance of forest for economy, social and environmental stability, Malaysia is committed to maintain a minimum of 50% of its land area under forest and tree cover. Currently, about 56.4% of our land area is covered by forests. Malaysia places great emphasis in the conservation and management of our forest resources on a sustainable manner, which is costly, technically high, and complex. We strongly uphold our commitment to improve the livelihood of our people and to fulfill our obligation in eradicating poverty. As a developing country, we are committed to mainstream the conservation and sustainable management of our biodiversity and forests in our socio-economic development agenda. Malaysia welcomed Forest 2011 as an opportunity to highlight the importance of forests to all Malaysians, especially to strengthen our political commitment in achieving sustainable forest management, as well as to increase awareness of the contribution of forests towards sustainable development. As the focal point, the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment Malaysia will coordinate activities with the involvement of various government agencies, private sectors, local communities, children and NGOs, and the International Year of Forests will be officially launched on the 21st March 2011 in conjunction with the World Forestry Day and World Wetland Day celebration. The week of 21st to 29 March 2011 will be declared as Forest 2011 Week of Malaysia. The events for Forest 2011 are being incorporated with the existing 26 million trees planting campaign under the theme Greening the Earth, One Malaysian, One Tree. On that note, in the spirit of the Forest 2011 celebration, Malaysia would like to reiterate the urgent need to develop an effective approach for forest financing from all sources, capacity building, the transfer of environmentally sound technology to support the efforts of developing countries to manage their forest resources sustainably. Thank you.